A country without a strong air force is at the mercy of any aggressor. Pakistan must build up its own air force as quickly as possible. It must be an efficient air force, second to none.
Pakistan Air Force has always been professionally focused, fully embracing the vision set forth by Father of the Nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, of being second to none. This guiding principle has become the very essence of our operational ethos, ensuring that we remain ever ready to answer the nation's call. We were charged to be second to none, and we had proved it yet again on 27th February. We are second to none. Operation Swift Retort was one of the defining moments in this legacy of excellence. An air operation highlighting PF's prowess and resolute pledge to uphold the nation's pride.
I think 26th and 27th of February very clearly indicated that Pakistan is capable of not only handling an offensive operation inside Pakistani territory with Pakistani defensive measures, but is also capable of carrying out a counter-offensive at will, at discretion, and in broad daylight.
Commitment to excellence, a defining trait of Pakistan Air Force, is unwavering. Under its current visionary leadership in the recent years, PF has gone through transformative modernization, harnessing advanced capabilities and niche technologies with the induction of state-of-the-art aerial platforms, long-range vectors, an array of unmanned combat aerial vehicles, space, cyber, electronic warfare, and artificial intelligence domains which have been operationalized at an unprecedented pace. Its integral Pakistan Unmanned Force, EW Force, Cyber, as well as Space Forces form the core of PF's employment strategy, ensuring that our progress remains comprehensive and enduring. Today, PF is poised to do more with less. Pursuit of excellence in training remains cornerstone of the PF leadership's modernization strategy. PF's training has been transformed and its standards are recognized world over.
My experience, I do believe, is next level. Not only fighter pilot, but every Air Force's dream to make sure that we can have a multi-domain warfare training, which is what any other country would like. And I would like to commend the country itself, as well as the Defense Force of Pakistan, as well as the Pakistani Air Force, for such a vision.
PF's leadership has envisioned to modernize Pakistan Air Force in sync with the changing character of warfare, and to build this strong institution further on the foundation of its exceedingly skilled human resource. Rigorous training programs have been instituted to cultivate an elite cadre of human resource capable of effectively harnessing the contemporary challenges of warfare.
It's my first time here in Pakistan, and I enjoy this exercise, and being a part of it is a very big opportunity. It's a very good environment to share this exercise with multinational forces, with different platforms of aircraft, using the modern and the new weaponry, and the system also supporting this weaponry in a very good combat level environment.
Through reorientation of operational trainings, regular participation in reputed international military exercises, and continued education programs, our air warriors remain not just knowledgeable but adaptable, ready to face the evolving dynamics of warfare as these continue to unfold. Today, as Pakistan Air Force braces on path to a comprehensive modernization drive, PF's leadership maintains a keen focus on indigenization to achieve self-reliance in high-end niche technologies with their operational linkages, with a commitment for making PF's operational strengths sustainable for our nation. Building a stronger Air Force through indigenization ecosystems being developed through its national aerospace science and technology parks, and even beyond, through indigenization of cutting-edge technologies and their integration into our operational capabilities. PAF now is technologically much advanced and has become formidable, ready and arrayed to defend aerial frontiers of our motherland. Our leadership's commitment to self-reliance is not just about strengthening Pakistan Air Force alone. It also fuels progression of knowledge-based economic growth, whilst resourcing our national security. PAF is well on its path for operational consolidation and is continuously progressing as a force to reckon with. PAF delivered yet again in Operation Marg Bar Saramchar, reassuring that enemies of this nation are nowhere safe. Our national sovereignty is non-negotiable and above everything else. PAF was, it is, and inshallah it will remain second to none. Now that PAF rules the skies with enormous firepower and lethality capable of creating decisive effects, our adversary dares not challenging nation's capabilities. Today, on the commemoration day of Operation Swift Retort, every member of Pakistan Air Force reassures its commitment to the nation. This unprecedented transformation in recent years has turned PAF into a multi-domain operations capable Air Force, truly second to none. We are much stronger and prepared now. Don't dare testing our commitment and capabilities ever again. Strong Air Force stands by its strong nation. Pakistan Air Force, a symbol of pride for the nation.